As a business owner, you know your people make the difference. When a key employee is suddenly gone, your business could face real challenges. A key employee is someone who is responsible for management decisions, has a significant impact on the success of the business, and is highly paid. A key person's loss can mean reduced management expertise, disruption to operations and sales, and added costs to hire and train a replacement. Key person life insurance can help with the expenses of the loss of a key person, including recruiting and training a replacement, to help keep your business running smoothly. With this coverage, the employer owns and pays for the policy. If the insured key person passes away, the employer may receive the policy benefits income tax-free, as long as certain IRS requirements are met. Keep in mind, the premiums aren't tax-deductible, so it's important to talk with a tax advisor to be sure all requirements are satisfied. Talk with your Illinois Mutual agent to find the right key person life insurance solution for your business.